Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so Cheers Lifestyle Exhibition event पर આપણે આવ્યા છીએ and this exhibition is for 3 days, today, tomorrow and the day after, 25th, 26th and 27th of July, and it is at Sunshine Banquet જે આપણે પ્રેરણાતી દેરાસર પાસે છે. Yes.
સો પ્રેરણાતી દેરાસર પાસે રત્નાકર હેલિકોન છે જેમાં સ્પોટલાઇટ સલૂન છે એક્ઝેક્ટ એની બાજુમાં સનશાઇન હોલ છે, ફુલ્લી એસી હોલ છે, ફ્રી એન્ટ્રી એન્ડ ફ્રી પાર્કિંગ છે. સો ડુ વિઝિટ, ઇટ્સ ઓનલી ફોર 3 days.
And they have 40 plus stalls over here. બધા stalls ની પાસે ખૂબ સુંદર collection છે. You'll find lots of variety and options to choose from as well. If you want to see the collection, swipe left.
Thank you.
If you are looking for options in crochet, then there are options in crochet. You can find rubber bands like these, you'll find keychains like these, and you'll also find such flower options. Again, crochet માં ઘણા જ બધા options available છે like these, and they also have such rubber bands and scrunchies. And if you're looking for some pouches, the એમાં પણ options are available. Coming to bags and purses and clutches, they have lots of options in those. If you're looking for something for your western wear fits, the Emma options available here like these. They have such box bags as well. Okay. If you're looking for something in resin art, the Emni passe home decor na pieces available here. And they have Rakhis in resin art as well. If you're looking for some bangles, so Emapan options available here. They have phone covers like these as well. Okay, they have some home decor pieces. Kids collection માં પણ options જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં available છે. Sizes age from 1 to 9 years, and they have lots of options like these over here. Indian wear ma options joita hoy to pieces are available in those as well. They have kurta options like these. घना ज बड़ा options है.
मैम कॉर्ड सेट्स मिल जाएंगे आपको.
Cord sets. Okay. Again, coming to Indian wear pieces, if you're looking for something like this, they have lots of options over here as well. And moving on, if you're looking for something heavy, the heavy mapan options available here like these, and casual wear pieces mapan options are available. Lucknowi chicken curry ma kai joitu hoy in Angar Khas style, the options are available, colors are available like these. Rakhis ma collection joitu hoy to they have a lot of collection when it comes to Rakhis. Kids Rakhis ma bhi options available hai like these. And if you're looking for some normal Rakhis, to ema pan collection hai. Silver Rakhis joiti hoy to silver Rakhis are available. Handmade Rakhis pan available hai. They have lots of options when it comes to Rakhis. Options like these, very simple, very elegant. And kids Rakhis ma bhi options hai. Okay, so if you're again looking for Rakhis, the Rakhis ma collection available hai. You have different colors, different options. Bhai Rakhis start at 20, pairs start at 40, and kids Rakhi starts at 40. Kids Rakhis ma thoda options chahiye, so they have options like these. Okay. Again, if you're looking for Rakhis, so they have options in Rakhis.
These all are handmade Rakhis.
Okay, all handmade Rakhis, and kids collection ma pan options available here. So this is a Kutchi brand that has come over here. They have chaniya choli options like these. They have lots of ghagras to choose from, and these are all nice and lightweight. They have blouse options as well, like ones over here, and they also have some patches that they have gotten. These can be stitched on your ghagras if you want, and pairs ma pan available hase. Chaniya cholis ma bija options joita hoy to they have those. You can find blouse pieces like these, and you can find sets as well. And if you want only lehengas, to ye pan available hase. Again, if you're looking for some heavy blouses to wear, to ema options available hai. Okay, aapko blouses no collection hai. If you're looking for something for kids, the options are available in those. These are kids' toys and accessories. They have erasers like these. if you're looking for some woodcraft, then you have options available here. Pen options are also available over here. If you are looking for some gifting hampers, the gifting hampers are available here. You'll find something like this that you can pair up with chocolates. Okay, and they have options in crystal art as well. If you're looking for some tumblers for your daily wear, then they have options in those, and coffee accessories are available here. Okay, so if you're looking for serving plates like these, they have options in those. They have some beautiful crockery options, very good crockery options like these. They have cups and saucers as well. These are the cups and saucer options that they have over here. Okay, and they have some hampers as well. Hampers start from 450 only. Okay, kids માટે પણ કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો options are available in those as well.